today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide chat in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox using your browser and log into your account. Next, open a game experience and join it. Once you're in a game, you can simply click the message icon at the top left corner of the screen to hide the chat or to show it to your screen. But if you wish to totally hide the chat so other people can't message you, then you can do this one. Go to your Roblox homepage and then click the gear icon at the top right corner and then select Settings in a drop-down menu. Next, go to Privacy and Content Maturity. Now click on the Communication option. Open the Experience chat and in here, set it to No One. By doing that, the chat option will be shown to you on the game and the other users can chat with you. That's basically it.